Hi everybody, thank you. We are 6,000 family members strong. Yay! Yay! I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. I love you. Mwah, mwah. I love you guys for rocking with me, from watching my video from the beginning to the end, for subscribing, smashing that like button, turning the notification bell on, and also sharing my videos. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Mwah! So we are 6,000 family members strong. Thank you, my beautiful ones. Let's continue to shoot to the stars. Woo! We are 6,000 family members strong. I hope you guys are having a great, fantastic summer. I hope you guys are keeping cool and relaxing. Okay, now today I'm going to create a beautiful centerpiece using these very beautiful, look at that. I love this hot pink. These flowers are so beautiful. Okay, I'm going to create 4 different looks using these hot pink flowers. They're going to be on 4 different videos. So this is video number 1. Yay! And the supplies you would need for this tutorial are, you would need 4 bunches of pink flowers, 1 medium foam ball, 1 round. This is the big one. I got this one from Hobby Lobby. 1 big round glass mirror, a string of pink garland, 4 tea light holders, 4 tea lights, and these tea light holders come 4 to a pack at the Dollar Tree. And as you see, these come 2 to a pack at the Dollar Tree. You also need a large glass vase. Now I purchased this glass vase at Hobby Lobby. Always catch Hobby Lobby's vases on sale. This was 80% off. So you just go in there and you can just catch anything. They have all kinds of stuff for 40% off. Okay, and don't forget your wire cutters. Also, some Scotch tape. Okay, now it's time for me to cut each flower off its stem and put it on my foam ball. And I'm gonna reuse this one. I'm gonna use this one for later. They're almost the same size, just a tad bit smaller. But I'm gonna reuse this foam ball, and I'm gonna begin cutting each stem off with my wire cutters. And we're going to leave just a little stem on the end, like such, and so that we can just stick it straight into our foam ball. Okay, and it's secured, but if you want to just make sure that it's secured, add a little glue to the end of the flower, right between the flower and the foam. Okay, let's start applying. Whoop! I'm gonna put this back together. Oh goodness. I mean, that just really came off, didn't it? It's okay. We'll put it back together again. Now. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, now I'm going to take my garland with my pink flowers on it, and I'm going to wrap it around the vase. Okay, I'm going to start here. Get my Scotch tape, tape it down. Okay. Garland around our vase. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put our flower arrangement on top of our vase. But first, what we want to do is we're going to get an LED light, turn it on, put it face down on top of your vase so that it can light up your vase. Okay, and you want to put your vase on the table first, then get your little Scotch tape, put it on top. Put it right on top of your vase, and then put your flower arrangement on top. That way it can stay on in case somebody bumped the table and you don't want it to fall off. So the Scotch tape will help keep it on. Okay, after we finish putting our flower arrangement on top, we're going to add our round mirror, and then we're going to add our tea lights. Turn our tea lights on. Add them to the bottom, right on top of our glass mirror. And this one do not want to behave. Oh, finally it came on. Okay. There we go. How beautiful is that? Very simple, very easy, very inexpensive. You must do it. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up.